Now I just have to find a natural hello. Hey everyone, today we're doing something different again. Today we're making lunch. We're gonna make some chicken teriyaki meatballs. This is a meal that we got from our subscription to Dinnerly. We subscribe to a few different meal services and we kind of just bounce around depending on what we feel like eating and who has the best stuff. This week it was Dinnerly. So we're gonna make these chicken teriyaki meatballs. And first thing I did was I turned on our oven to 450 degrees because we're gonna roast some broccoli, and next I need ingredients. Whoops. So I need 1 broccoli, ground chicken, rice. I probably should have sorted this before. Teriyaki sauce fell on the floor. That's all we need. Is that all we need? That's all we need. Okay. So we're making these chicken teriyaki meatballs, and we need, what they sent us is broccoli, toasted sesame seeds, which we're not going to use because John doesn't like seeds, jasmine rice, ground chicken, scallions, panko breadcrumbs, teriyaki sauce, and then the things that I have to provide myself are garlic. Yep, we're using that stuff. Salt, pepper, vinegar, sugar, and oil. Salt, pepper. They say white vinegar, but we have apple cider vinegar. Okay. Ooh, that was loud. Now we have all our ingredients. And a knife, which we will need. That's the oven heating up, getting to temperature. It sings a lovely song for us that goes on a lot longer than you would expect. We're gonna start cooking the rice. Okay, so we need 1 1/4 cups of water for our rice. Salt is already out. Okay, so we have the rice on, it's gonna boil, we're gonna turn it down, we're gonna put this lid on it. Just take the lid off the garbage can. Next we're going to, it says we're gonna chop our garlic, but it's already chopped. So we're gonna do these scallions. Someone I know recently asked, just like the general world, how do you know, like where does the white part of the scallion end and where does the green part begin? Very much a where does the butt start conversation. That's chopped, pre-chopped garlic. Now we need a bowl. We're not going to use a bowl this big, but we just got this giant set of bowls from the thrift store. We got that giant set of bowls from the thrift store in Tupper Lake. It was like $8 for all of those. It was fantastic. Love a good mixing bowl. So this says we need a medium bowl. This looks like a medium bowl. They sent me all these breadcrumbs, but I guess I don't need them all. That's one of my least favorite things. Lie, I do. Okay, so breadcrumbs, meat, garlic, some scallions. It says half the garlic. We'll just put a big glob because you can't have too much. And what next? Pepper, which I can never open. That's enough. Salt. It says a teaspoon, but we'll just shake. Now we need the chicken. These are my food scissors. Ooh. Not shown on camera, I did wash my hands before we started. Oh, this is like a weird Play-Doh. We're just gonna leave it as a ball for now. And I'm gonna wash my hands. Great, so my hands are clean. And now we're gonna chop up the broccoli. I cannot, will not, never, too many negatives, chop broccoli without thinking of Dana Carvey. Chopping broccoli! Chopping broccoli! That's in my head. Ooh, I hear the rice bubbling. Pop the lid on that. And I'm gonna need a cookie sheet. For this broccoli, we're putting it in the oven, which I turned on to 450. That's gonna make 12 meatballs? Okay. I wonder if the squeaky sound of the washing machine is coming through on this. So as kids, we used to go visit my relatives in Iowa, and we would always make like videos, cooking videos and that kind of thing. Definitely more compelling than what is happening here today. Rice is turned down and bubbling. Maybe we're gonna put some butter in it. So we'll just scoop a big hunk of this out. Okay, so the broccoli and the meatballs are going on the same thing. We've got our cookie sheet. We've got our very well used cookie sheet liner. We're gonna put all this broccoli on one side. It's like the broccoli hair. I do have an olive oil mister, but I've never filled it up here, so we're just gonna drizzle. Drizzling olive oil on the broccoli. Shutting drawers we left opened. Ooh, we almost went wrong side on the salt. We're gonna sprinkle some pepper. Should have just left this open. We have our broccoli. Oh boy, now it's time to do the meatballs. To keep this out. What is this sugar for? Oh, that's for the sauce. Okay. They're saying 12 meatballs out of this. I like to start by kind of putting it into 2 balls. And now I'll try and get 6 meatballs out of each of the big balls. It's like chicken paste instead of ground chicken. Oh, we're definitely gonna get 12 out of this. Okay, perfect. John, I might need you for an assist. Yeah, can you come just push this broccoli to one side a little bit more? I don't have enough ball space. Shove it. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11. I need 4 more. Okay. Yeah, Rochelle, I did just have to use my fingers to count the difference between 8 and 12. Not because I'm not good at math, but mostly because I'm not focused on it right now. Okay. So one of these is really, 2 of these are really tiny, but that's okay. No 2 balls are the same, no 2 people are the same. Is this grossing anybody out there? I'm just rubbing my naked hands all over this food we're gonna eat. That one is really tiny. Okay, maybe we need to steal a little from someone. Okay, we've got to mix this rice because I know it's sticking. Ooh, actually it's not bad. Okay, great. We need to put our tray of meatballs and broccoli in the oven, which we are going to do right now. And for how long? 10 to 15 minutes. We've got our timer set. Now we're going to make our sauce. We're going to get our saucepan and our teriyaki sauce, more garlic, more scallions, water, oil, vinegar. What is this sugar for? Oh, and sugar. Okay. So we're going to mix all of this in a medium skillet. Okay. Another scoop of garlic. Maybe that's too much. Too late now. Scallions. 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Don't know why I took that top off. Oh, it says I could use a vinegar of my choice, so I was going to anyway. 2 tablespoons of water, and then we're cooking. Oh, we also need half a teaspoon of sugar. Really? Is that even worth it? All right. And we're adding our 2 tablespoons of water. Oh, guess what, guys? It helps if you turn the stovetop on, right? So it says medium low heat. Perfect, because I only use this pan on medium. We'll check our rice. Rice looks done enough. Put the lid back on the rice. And are we supposed to do anything to our meatballs while they cook? No. No, we're just making sauce and waiting for everything to be done. We'll just clean up. We'll clean up while it's cooking. Well, now I don't have anything else to do. Just realized the camera was off. I don't know when that happened, but it's okay because I've just been talking nonsense about ranch water. We don't have anything to do because everything is cooking, so we're just standing here killing time. A recap, this is prickly pear ranch water. It's good. It tastes, I think, like, I always want to say Zima, but Smirnoff Ice. I have not had a Smirnoff Ice since college. I don't even know if they still make it. The original ranch water flavor, to me, I would say tastes just like a Smirnoff Ice. This has a little bit of a different taste. The grapefruit flavor is fine. And then I'm just looking at the sauce to see how it's coming. And then the jalapeno is not spicy or like hot in any way, but it kind of just makes you cough. So if you're into that, so yeah, we cleaned up, we're having a drink, we're talking weird talk. I spent some time just staring into the camera. Now I'm gonna stir the sauce. Sauce is bubbling. Okay, 26 seconds left. We got 26 seconds left on the meatballs. I feel like I should have turned them. Why didn't they tell me to turn them? Oh God, they're rolling. Oh my gosh, 450 degrees is hot. Wow. Oh no! There we go. We did it, guys. We did it. Good work, team. Good work. I promise you, nothing in the oven is burning. We will take everything out, though. Look at that. All right, so now we're gonna put these meatballs in the sauce. We're just gonna, whoa! The spoon just really got away from me. Now it's time to plate it up. And just in case it did get cut off, these are the plates that we got from the thrift store that we were super excited about and then never really showed. So we will get our plates. Do the rice first. Rice, broccoli, chopping broccoli. Whoops. And now for the balls, which I think are supposed to be on the rice. You know what? We can do what we want. We make our own choices in life. Oh God, we almost lost her. We almost lost one. And there it is. We did it. Doesn't have seeds on top, but we did it. Thanks for coming along for this crazy ride. What'd we do? We lost footage because the camera turned off? Maybe. I don't know. We had a fire alarm go off. It's a smoke detector. Nothing's burned, but I think we're gonna have a really good meal. Thanks for watching.